Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the iOS 26. After updating to the iOS 26, your iPhone seems a little bit laggy or slow. Then how we can fix this up? So let me get into this step one by one. So the first and famous step is all about if you're having already multiple apps running in the background, that might be one of the reasons why you're having this shape. So what you need to do is just close everything over here like this. You can just throw it away, and that's what you have to try as the first and famous step. After trying with closing everything, we have to move to the second step. Second step is all about make sure that you're having enough storage on your iPhone. To do so, you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the general. Now from here go to iPhone storage, and over here, as you can see in my case, there are 195.61 GB of 256 means completely used up, and I'm having enough storage over here. And even though that's very important, so if you're having kind of completely filled up, you'll be having it slow, and that is what you have to do. So make sure that you're having enough storage on your device, and that's very important. After trying with that, you just need to go back. Now we need to go over here and we need to do some check for any kind of pending updates. For that, you have to go over here, tap on the App Store. Now once you get into the App Store, you have to click on the profile icon over here at the top. Just tap on this one, and from here you have to scroll down, and you can see we have various updates pending. So what you need to do is you can just either tap on update all. What happens is all these kind of apps will be up to date from here and will be updated, and afterwards, most probably down the road when you're using it, that might work for you guys as well. That's very important, and you have to check back with that. Next one is all about what you need to do is you can try with the next one, that is turn off the background app refresh if it is already there. To do so, you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here go to the general, and from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the background app refresh, and if it is turned on, you have to go over here. What I'm saying is you can turn this off. Just go over here, turn off the background app refresh, and you can check. That is not enough. If you can try a few more steps. That is all about if you go over here, if you scroll down a little bit, there is an option called transport reset iPhone, and go to the reset over here, and there is an option called reset all settings. But doing this, you'll not be losing any kind of your personal data. What it's going to do is it's going to change all the settings and home layouts and all those things. You'll not be losing any kind of data, so don't worry on that. You can just go for the reset all settings without an issue, and you can check with that. After trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, you can try one step that called force restart on an iPhone. To do a force restart, you can just go over here, place the volume up followed by the volume down, press and hold the power button over here, and that is how we can do it. So to do so, I'm going to demonstrate you that. Just press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button, and listen until as fast as possible, and listen until you see the Apple logo. Now you can just go back and you can check. Most probably afterwards, whenever you are trying to use, this will be working fine and will not be having any kind of drop or any kind of slow or laggy on your iPhone after updating the iOS 26. And this is what you have to do, and these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.